Okay, today, me and my friend Shane will be making an airsoft war video. Pistol match.
Right after I get my hood up.
I'm in my juggernaut suit. I have some targets out here, but we're not using them right now. There's cardboard, guys. So, enjoy or die. Ready. Match starts in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh crap, I didn't even load it. Ah, he shot me, but I cannot feel it. I have to put this down. It's pain to load with this thing. I just got loaded though. There he is up in the field. I got him. Okay, I have to load again. Yeah. Okay. He's up in some little bunker up here. There. He's hiding. He's a hider. Come out. Oh, there he is. They're not iron sights for this pistol, it's plastic sights. Tee out. He's teeing out for reloading.
I said tee out.
Yeah, I know.
Why are you going to tee
I don't know. We're in an airsoft war.
I know, and I have to reload.
Okay. Reloading him. Okay, he's still reloading.
Okay, second round.
Second round.
No! Not yet, Max! Second round. Juggernaut comes up over here through the path, and I hide.
I guess I'm going up a path. He's hiding. And he like jumps out or something. A little mini match. Second round. I still haven't had to reload yet. My mag is still pretty much full. I only shot like 3 rounds.